Hello, welcome back to another video. I'm Stuti Shukla. Have you ever thought about how dangerous ozone layer depletion is for us? The United Nations Environment Programme Ozone Secretariat has used animation and gamification to create innovative teacher lessons plan and student workbooks in support of World Education Day and teachers looking for new material on environmental awareness and protection. Using the recent short animation and storylines, the protagonists Knox, Taryn and Sagan bring the story of how the ozone layer was saved to life for twins. The toolkits are available for free on the Ozone Secretariat education platform. What are the purpose of teaching kids? The toolkit first phase aims to provide a springboard into an environmental science by educating, raising awareness and inspiring action among young people about the importance of the ozone layer and the ongoing need to protect it. Phase 2, aimed at teenagers, is currently being developed and will be released soon. The toolkits have been adapted for print and episodes are available in a comic format for universal access, specifically to meet the increased demand for quality and innovative virtual learning material. I cannot emphasize the importance of continued ozone layer protection and the story of Montreal Protocol enough in this time of acute climate change crisis, said Meg Seki. Executive Secretary of the Ozone Secretariat, is a story of hope for our children and grandchildren. It is also a reminder to all of us to strive for global cooperation and partnership in order to develop and implement science-based global environmental policies. UNEP released free teaching kits on ozone layer and environmental protection. Spectacular view of Earth from space, the United Nations Environment Programme Ozone Secretariat has used animation and gamification to create innovative teacher lessons plans and student workbook in support of World Education Day and teachers looking for new material on environmental awareness and protection. Issues of ozone layer depletion. The ozone layer is an invisible shield that exists in the stratosphere 15 to 35 km above the Earth's surface, shielding humans, animals, planet and vital ecosystem from harmful UV radiations. Scientists discovered a massive hole in the ozone layer caused by chlorofluorocarbon emissions in the 1980s. This man-made chemical was used in a variety of products including aerosol cans, refrigerators, air conditioner, insulating foams, fire extinguishers, solvents and many others. Scientists alerted world leaders and policymakers who collaborated to control and phase out CFC and other ozone-depleting substances globally. In 1987, the Montreal Protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer was ratified. It has since been universally endorsed by 197 countries and the European Union, making it one of the most successful environmental treaties in history. Because ozone-depleting substances are highly potent greenhouse gas, phasing them out has also contributed significantly to reducing climate change. However, repairing the ozone layer and returning it to pre-1980 levels will take decades. It will necessitate constant vigilance and protection on the part of Montreal Protocol community and future generations. There are numerous environmental challenges that the next generation of young people will face. The story of the ozone layer and the global collaboration to protect it, on the other hand, it's one of hope. The Montreal Protocol serves as a reminder that when the world comes together in cooperation and partnership, guided by science, humanity is capable of resolving major global crises. For more such type of videos, stay connected with Krishi Jagran. Thank you.